Hello, this is a control panel for Russian aircraft. It is the threat detection control panel for the Sirena free system. So it comes with another panel with lights and indicators, but it is a very rare piece. This one is not common also. So you can see there is a neat amber tone box in some made with some bakelite. You have two plugs at the rear. You have the manufacturer plate. So model is L006-6. Serial number is 31260. This is my internal inventory number. It is a very neat little box. You have a rocking switch, you have backlit labels, and rotary switch with backlit indicators. This is a fuse with a fuse holder. This kind of fuse holder in a flower shape is very common to see in Russian equipment. You will see it almost everywhere, also into consumer electronics, not only military grade stuff. This is a potentiometer. So sadly I cannot open it because it seems to be very delicate and quite complicated to open. I should need to remove all these buttons and unscrew this plate. But after the screws are sealed with factory seal, so I do not want to open it. So here is the thing. I love this one, it is a very beautiful piece in my collection. Thanks for watching.